All right, so what do you do when Amazon fails you and you can't get anything for your project, so you have to come up with an entirely new project? And your background is in creative advertising and filmmaking, nothing to do with sound. So, here goes nothing. Going into work, because this is exactly what I want to do on my day off. Okay, so basically here's what we need to do within the next 2.5 hours. We need to cut and size this box, mask it, paint it black, and then mask it. And then mask the detail, paint all the boxes, take all the videos, edit them together, put it in a video, and upload it before noon. So, we got this, and there's nothing to worry about. All right, they're both painted black. Wait for them to dry, and then we'll mask, and then we'll paint the individual squares. So here's the plan. And I just got purple done, so we have 8 more. So far we're halfway done. My material's there, and my hand is painted. Cool. All right, let's get this thing done. So we're finished. Looks pretty good. It's still wet, so I'll have to wait for it to dry. And meanwhile, I will edit this all together and then put the words on. Currently working on the sound project, and I have 43 minutes to get this done and turn it in. This is almost dried, and I think it looks pretty good. A bug died in it, which was unfortunate, but I should be able to peel the masking off and have it done. Probably not going to get everything done in the time before class, but my plan is to wire up the sound visualizer and then also attach it to this, so it's not entirely worthless, but it's a step in the right direction. So yeah. Okay, so because time is of the essence, we're just going to peel this off now. Is this the top one? Oh. Oh, the red bled through. That's okay. There's 2, and for the bottom. And the orange bled through, but that's okay. And for the last piece. On the yellow bled through. All right, so that's it. All right, so kind of to explain it, since I don't think I'm going to be able to put the black on and explain every color, I'll just explain it in the video. So I have purple, which represents jazz. I have blue, which represents pop. Red, which represents rock. Green, which represents rap. Gold, which represents classical. And then the green, yellow, red, which represents reggae. I have a blue and purple mix here, which represents EDM. And then orange, which represents country, and yellow, which it's kind of gonna, for me, it's like lo-fi jazz, which I listen to like a lot to like relax. So I just see yellow as a happy color. So yeah, this is kind of just a quick overview of it. I will be livid if it gets delivered during class.